Okay guys, first test since the move. Let me set you guys on a tripod and let's see if this thing works. Okay, ready to power up. That's a good sign. Okay, power up one motor. Power up the other motor. Okay. Steering. Okay, let's throttle the motors. And okay, transmission's not shifting. Let me change the plug. Try that. Okay, transmission shifts. And we have motion. And back to neutral. Alright guys, looks like it survived the trip. Okay guys, it's a few days later. I've moved a few things around in here. I've got a desk coming for this corner, and then I can move the computer over and do my editing there, and then we can get back to work on this thing proper. But until then, let me show you what we did out in the garage. Well, as you can see, we're still unpacking, but we did get some stuff unpacked. So, lift you up over here. I've got a couple of rows. All my small cars. Got a few empty holes down there, but for the most part, we've filled up these racks. Anyway, that's what I've been working on. We're gonna get more of the T-Rex content coming real soon. Okay guys, I've been futzing around on this for a couple of days now, just in my spare time. Here's what we're looking at. I got the howitzer holders finished, or mostly finished. The gun will go into here, kind of like that. Still have to paint everything. I'm not going to bore you with that. I'll show you when I get them mounted to the turret. But For now, we're going to go outside and play with the RCs that do run. Okay guys, we got the 2 cannons built. That was about 3 or 4 days in my spare time. I'll have to paint them in a little bit. I figure I'll get them mounted and working before I worry about paint. Those things are massive. Anyway, that's the update for now. Give me a week or two and we'll have a little bit more for you. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. We'll talk at you later.